this is a powerful message from this our brother. So he's a native doctor, and he's always stand for truth. He's always stand for our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So my fellow Biafrans, today being August 1st of August 2026, he came out to pray for all the Igbo youth in abroad and Igbo people in home. So just take out of your time and listen to him and see the kind of prayer where this our brother give to all the Igbo people. So after watching this video now, drop your opinion in the comment section and don't forget to share so that other people can be able to watch this video. This our brother really love us because he's always praying for Igbo people to make sure that Igbo people are doing well. Watch this video and share your opinion in the comment section. One love.
Okay, chakwala gwa n'ụzọ.
Oh, tata.
Ọ dịkwa egwu.
Bu 1st August.
Mkpala na 22. Ọ dịkwa egwu.
The year 2026.
Okay, chakwala gwa n'ụzọ.
Ebupụtara m oke ọfọ m na-atụ ndị ilo m ụjọ. O nwere oke amara nna ayọ n'aka Chineke njiri tiri mkpu titere ya tata bụ 1st August. Ka o jee n'ime nga n'obodo oyibo ka o jee chekiwe ụmụ Igbo tọba anyị na-agbụ na ụmụazị Igbo be anyị nọ n'ime nga dị too much. Nene Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ọ na-eme nke ya ka ọ dịla anyị niile mma. Ụfọdụ sị na ọ naghị emeita ya, na ọ naghị emeita ya, na ọ naghị emeita ya. Kedizi otu Peter Obi esikwughị emeita ya. A na-achọrọ Peter Obi ebe a na-atụ egbe bịara ibu ọkụ. Ebupụtara m ọfọ Chukwu okike nke ka m na-akpọkọ. Ọ gị nwa bụ onye ga-ejere anyị ọgụ a, onwe gị onye ọzọ. Ana m ayọ gị n'ụbọchị tata. Nya ka m ji wee bịa n'ọnkọ nana bịa na mkpu si ka m titelu gị mkpu. Biko do Chukwu, biko do obi egbo ọgụ. Chọbara m ụmụazị Igbo be anyị niile, ndị nọ na mba obodo oyibo, ndị niile nọ n'ime nga ka atọba ma na-abụ na 2026 ya.
Ise.
Ụmụazị be anyị dị n'obodo oyibo na-enweghị ihe ha na-eme n'obodo oyibo tiji ebi ụba kọntaktị ka ha nwee ihe ha na-eme.
Ise.
Asụrụ m mkpọnọ na maka ndị ajọ mmadụ, ndị na-ekweghị ka anyị dị ndụ, ndị na-ahapụ onye Igbo na onye Igbo pụtakwu eziokwu ha chọba ụzọ ha ga-esi tie ya na nga. Ebupụtara m ofe a n'ụbọchị tata ka ọ dịrị ndị polisi wụ onye Igbo na mma, dịrị ndị amị wụ onye Igbo na mma, dịrị ndị nevi wụ onye Igbo na mma, onye Igbo ọbụla nwere ihe ọ na-arụ ka ọ dịrị ya na mma. Maka na ọ na-abụ ebe ọbụla eruzie na mgbe eji eti ndị Igbo n'ọkwa ewotu onye Igbo ahụ tinye onye ọzọ ọmadị natalaba na mma.
Mkpana na 22. Oke chakwala agwọ n'ụzọ.
Si mepebara ụmụ Igbo ụzọ.
Ise.
Si bupụrụ anyị abụbụ anyị na-ata na ọkarịga anyị.
Ise.
Si bupụrụ anyị akwa anyị na-ata na ọkarịga anyị.
Ise.
Biko dododo na-ayọ ka m na-ayọ gị.
Ise.
Asị m biko do gị bịa egwu ọgụ.
Ise.
Onye ka m na-ayọrọ gị na nwa obodo nọchiri nwa afọ Igbo ụzọ na ọmadị natara ya na mma.
Ise.
Biniba gaba ije ebe ọ bụ na ejidere nwa Igbo si kpọpee ya. Ebe ọ bụ na ejidere nwa Igbo si mepere ya ụzọ. Ibe ọ nwere ihe ọjọọ ndị obi wee onye Igbo amaghị si mepere ya. Ibe m na-ekwu n'ụbọchị tata na ji onye Igbo na ọ hago ya. Agbụ ọnwụna ji nwoke bụ onye Igbo na ọ hago ya. Ihe ọ bụla eji nwee si na Igbo ama adị ndụ na anyị ga-adị ndụ. Peter Obi nọkọta esi na ụjọ na-atụzi ya na ya amazighị otu esi ibe kwadoro ya na nke ikpeazụ a, mana Peter Obi ya ha anwụ na nwatakịrị ọbụla nwa onye Igbo pụta ọnụ ka ọ gbaa mbọ na ọ ga-enwe ego. Nwatakịrị bụ onye Igbo ọbụla pụta ọnụ mmanụ na aka aja aja na-ebute ọnụ mmanụ na ọ ga-adịrị ya mma. Nwatakịrị ọbụla bụ onye Igbo pụtara ọnụ nwa iyi na ihe ọbụla ọ na-eme na ọ ga-akwụba aka ya otu ọ ga-adịrị ya mma. Nwatakịrị ọbụla bụ onye Igbo na-esu onye Igbo imi n'obodo oyibo ọmadị natara ya mma n'ụwa. Ojebe ejebe ahụfụ, ọ naba anawa ahụfụ, otu ọnụ o si na-eje na ndụ a ahụfụ ka ọ ga-abụrụ ya. Mkpana na-adara ndụ ga-eji ije na ana mmụọ jee na ana mmadụ tọpụ ndị niile ekele agbụ n'ala Igbo ka ụmụ Igbo nwere onwe be. Anyị gaba Abuja ha jụrụ ajụ, anyị pụta prezidenti ha jụrụ ajụ, nke ọ bụla anyị emebe na ha ajụ. Chukwu nkwu ka ntitelụ gị, nkwu ka ntitelụ gị. O nwezighị onye Igbo ọbụla bi n'irini bụrụ ọgwụ ka o ji atụgharị ụmụ Igbo. Asị nka mkpana na-ada ka ọnwụ gị na-ada. Okwu ekwuru n'iyi.
Okechakwala agwọ n'ụzọ.
Do you know why they want to secretly send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back to Abuja? Now, let me give you a brief history of what happened. When James Omotosho sentenced Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to life imprisonment, he intentionally sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto, the caliphate, you know. Now, when he sent him there, he has his intentions, his plans, and the concept of his ideas. Now, when they sent Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto, they want to frustrate his appeal, frustrate his family, frustrate everybody. But at the end of the day, now they are secretly begging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to return to Abuja. Do you know why? This is why they want to send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back to Abuja secretly, without a due process. Because the process at which they send Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto is through court order. And when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appealed that sentence, sentence of sending him to serve his life imprisonment in Sokoto, when he appealed it, they disqualified it, they tarnished it, they didn't approve it. Now they are begging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to return to Abuja secretly. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is insisting that the only way he can return to Abuja is through due process, which is through court order. And you know they cannot do it without the appeal, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has filed an appeal. Now, this is why they want to do this. If you remember, the wife has been working on sending Mazi Nnamdi Kanu back to Abuja. But why the federal government is paying attention to that is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu case is now a global case. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is now being debated in the White House of U.S. Assembly. U.S. Senate is now moving the motion about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. So it is no longer a Nigerian or local case. It is now an international case. The eye of Donald Trump is now on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The eye of the whole world is now on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's case. So whatever the Nigerian government is doing now is being recorded. And they have calculated the cost of transporting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Sokoto to Abuja, because definitely they are going to transfer him, they are going to transport him with flight, as Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the person going to represent himself in the Supreme Court. So after this calculation, they discovered that it's a very big mistake on their own side. They are now begging a way to see if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will accept to be moved to Abuja, which Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, we all know, will never ever accept or succumb to that plea. So that is just it.
Have you ever asked yourself, why is it that the appeal court has not started ever since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu filed the appeal court case? Why is it that it's from one fracas to different fracas, from the judge fracas who will be the presiding officer of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appeal court, from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu need to submit some document that has not been given from the previous judgment that was led to his sentencing to life imprisonment by James Omotosho? Why these different fracas up to this very moment? Why? See, when we keep on saying this, we think we are joking. We know. Why is it that all of a sudden now, same Nigerian leaders that plan with James Omotosho, they all plan to take Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to Sokoto Correctional Center. All of a sudden now, they have now agreed. Those that refuse to agree since last year, last year, November or October, that they passed the final judgment, all of a sudden the change that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu should be returned to Abuja prison. Why? See, people may think that we are not okay, or because we are following Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that means we are not normal. We are normal. But if you are a right-thinking person, you ask yourself, why all this change at this particular time, where the Israel are seriously on this case, where the Americans are seriously on this case, why the U.S. Congress are seriously on this case for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom? Why all the transfer? Why all this? Why all these changes? Why? What is going on that they want to do sharp? They want to do everything sharp. Why? What is going on? Is there something fishy that we don't know, or they're not telling us? Why the sudden rush? Everybody, they're not desperate. They are very in a hasty, they are in hasty to do something fishy. Why all of a sudden See, I want to tell you guys something, and I want to be bold enough to tell you this thing, that the Nigerian government, despite the fact that the Americans and the Israel and the Nigerian government can go extra lengths to make sure that that Biafra flag will not come. Because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu major aim is that Biafra flag, not his personal freedom. But the Nigerian government will give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom if he stop the detention of Biafra. Chicken, now that is what they just want. Not that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a terrorist. Not that the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is bad. Not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is evil. Not Mazi Nnamdi Kanu cannot get the freedom. But the freedom will come if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu accept the dialogue. What is the dialogue? Not even the money they want to give Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The priority is for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to stop the detention of Biafra. That is their own problem. Nothing else again. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stop the detention of Biafra today now, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom will start. But Mazi Nnamdi Kanu freedom will not come immediately because he has accepted dialogue. Okay, because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, no, they will not even tell you that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have accepted dialogue. They will not tell you. What will they do? They will start rushing the appeal court case. And when the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu win at the appeal court, this judgment of the appeal court will hold water, will stand. The judgment of the appeal court will stand, and they will proceed to obey the judgment of the appeal court, and everything will work normal. That is how they program it. But now it's difficult for them. Now it's difficult for Nigerian government now to start the judgment of our appeal court because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not accepted the dialogue. And everything is working good for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And they know very well that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is going to still win at the appeal court. Now they don't want to bring issue between them with other countries and all those people that are speaking for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So what they want to do is to delay appeal court and take their time to know the next line of action, what to do, or delay this appeal court to make sure that they get Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to dance to their tune, for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to accept what they want from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I don't know if people are getting me. That is exactly. See, if you are a IPOP member in the eastern part of Nigeria and you are part of doing all this, see, this is from that. Just be neutral because they are looking for a means to app. If you want to say I'm IPOP, they will arrest you. That is the only way, the only thing they are doing now. They think that doing all this thing will cripple Mazi Nnamdi Kanu confidence. But not knowing that it's just making this. That's why, as you see me, so I'm just minding my own business. That is the extent they want to go. I'm telling you the simple truth. This place, I will tell you the truth, no matter how it is. This is the reason why all this appeal court has not started up to this very moment, where people are complaining, what is delay? Why is the delay? See, please, I'm begging you guys, if you people want me to continue doing about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu content, please, I'm begging you guys. And I'm very angry. I swear to God Almighty, I'm very angry to the extent that I told you guys, please assist me. I know that this is difficult for everybody. Please assist me. Let me get this small office and small distance. I will be confident doing all this thing I'm doing. Before I do this, I will react and all those things. Let me be confident in this thing that I'm doing. This is what my Chineke asked me to do. And if I stop this, I swear to God, the ancestors will not be angry with me and will be angry with me. And I have no choice than to, I think I have to stop because sometimes I'm a bit discouraged. You can't see me outside and be talking about this thing. And where I am is surrounded by these people that is against what I'm doing. Please assist me. I need chair and tables, mini office in my own house. Let me be confident and do whatever I want to do. If nobody assists me, I swear to God Almighty, I will just stop. Let me just mind my own business and focus on other things for myself. Please assist me. Just come to my DM, ask me for my account details, ask me what I needed. If there's anything you can do for me, I need all these things. Please, I'm begging you, Umuchineke. I'm not asking for anything much than this, and I will not ask again. Sometimes I'm angry, sometimes I want to do something, I will be discouraged because of all these things. Look as if nobody's supporting me. Please share this video and comment on this video because I don't want to. I'm just pissed off. But later in my next video, I'll continue from where I stop. Thank you so much, and may God bless you all. Wow! Congratulations, USB, that is United States of Biafran ID card, is now rolling out, and people are registering and to get their ID card, United States of Biafran ID card, even their national identity certificate, just like the one they call state of origin, national identity certificate, is still ongoing. People are just rushing to get their certificates. But my question here is that since they are giving out they are giving out ID card and people are registering and the certificate, I will have bring out the sample of the certificate they are giving out to people that register online. Even the link is there where you can register. It's free of charge. It's free. You don't have to pay a dime, and they will issue it to you. Does it mean? But Nigeria is not. Despite the fact that we will say yes, 70% Biafran almost getting to, but I'm curious to ask this question, and I want you to answer this question. Why is it that we are not officially declared a nation? We have not officially Biafran country. We are still in Nigeria. How come this certificate don't they come outside? How come they don't they get national ID card as a Biafran? How come? Why is it? What is going on? What is going on? I'm asking you that. What is going on? But well, I say it's congratulations to you guys. Yeah, it's not easy. Congratulations to us. Yeah, you understand. But there's something going on. That's being said, I want to tell you guys that if you are no matter how dumb you are, or no matter how dumb you say I am, you should know that this Biafra we are talking about, it's only one person or two persons that can stop it from coming. One is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and two is if all the whole world is against Biafra becoming is a country of its own. That is when it's going to stop. But the way it is now, I can guarantee you and I can tell you that the King Charles, I was saying it again, I posted this yesterday, King Charles will be having a meeting with Donald Trump, emergency meeting that is very, very important. And after that first meeting, then if it goes smoothly with Donald Trump, then there will be another meeting that if Donald Trump agreed that he's going to talk to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to stop the agitation of Biafra. But if after the first meeting, Donald Trump could not, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never get his freedom, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu could not get his freedom, and then that means Donald Trump have finally accept that it's not going to stop the agitation of Biafra. But if Mazi Nnamdi Kanu gets his freedom before then, and then probably there will be a meeting between, on that meeting again, another set of meeting between King Charles, Donald Trump, Benjamin Netanyahu, and some key men of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu team and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, some GOS member and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and probably and some Nigeria government from the north and some Nigeria, because President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will not be there, with some key holders of Nigeria government. That is how Mazi Nnamdi Kanu agitation of Biafra will stop. The 70%, the remaining 30% will not join the 70% to make it 100% reality. I'm telling you the simple truth. This is what is going to happen. Remember the first thing I said. The first meeting King Charles is going to have, because Nigeria government are begging King Charles to meet with Mazi Donald Trump to iron things to stop the agitation of Biafra. That is one. So after that first meeting, if things go well smoothly the way King Charles wants Mazi Donald Trump to do, that means they will release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will join the upcoming meeting between this is between Nigeria government, King Charles, Benjamin Netanyahu, Mazi Donald Trump, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu himself, and some other key holder. But if that is it's not this thing I'm telling you, I'm analyzing it, it's not something that is going to happen in a few months or a few days. It's going to take time. It's a process, and this thing will linger till next year. I don't know. This is may linger to the next year. I don't want to call this in the news, but to me, I'm telling you the fact. But if you are calculative, you know that it's going to happen. It's going to happen. But if you are calculative, you know that it's going to happen. But if I call it a news, you go say, how did you get your news? It's not a news. It's my own personal opinion. Let me say it's my own personal opinion. And it's going to, that is the reality and the situation of things. I don't want to go more deeper. Please, at this junction, I'm telling you guys, I put all my effort. I'm seeing people say I'm begging too much, and I believe that after today or tomorrow, if I beg today, I beg tomorrow, and nobody turn up, I'll stop. I will not beg again. With all my ancestors, I will not ask anybody any money again. I just need to get many office in and I will stop talking about anything that, because I will not be going outside to be doing content. I want to do it in my own house. I want to do it in my own house for my own safety. But if nobody assists me, I will stop. Anything concerning this, I will stop and do my other content. Please, I need to get a table. I'll be begging. And what I was able to raise is 34,000 naira. 34,000. Somebody give me 20,000. Another person give me 5,000. Another person give me 5,000. Make it 1,000. Another person give me 2,000. 2,000. That is 34,000. So I need more. I need about 400 to get many office in my house. So for me to be safe. Anyhow you want to assist me is fine. You can come to my DM and ask me for my account details. But if God touches your heart, thank you so much and may God bless you. I'll come back again tomorrow. See you for now. Bye.